Welcome to the new segment of the grade ninth. We are discussing geography, fourth chapter, that is climate. We have discussed some different seasons of India. In that, another one subtopic we have to discuss today, retreating or past monsoon. So this monsoon, it is in during the October to November, with the appearance of movement towards to the sun, that will be move and south. The monsoon through or the low pressure in northern plains becomes weaker in a north side, what the wind will be blow, that air pressure, it will be converted into the low pressure, and generally these replace of that low pressure to the high pressure. In a southwest monsoon, it will be winds, they will start withdrawing or the start moving by in a month of October, and those it will be move towards to the northern plains, that is Ganga and Brahmaputra plains, it will be move. And in a during of uh, November and October, this period, because of the hot, because of evaporation and dry winter season, so it will be uh, moving to the rainy season to the winter season. And in this monsoon, they will skip or the raises of temperature. That time the automatically the temperature will be little higher to compare to the in a during of the rainy season. This temperature, it will be high, and naturally when the day it will be very hot, and the night it will be converted into the cool. In we can take here examples of desert areas. Day it will be very hot, and night it will be pleasant cool. So that example we can take here. And the the owning means the highest heat, the high temperature and the humidity. Because of that humidity climatical condition, the weather it will be changes, the weather it will be changes. Here the humidity, we can take another one example here, the coastal areas of our country, the humid climate, they will make a more evaporation, and the automatically high rainfall it will be occur in a coastal areas. October will be heat, and the half of the October, the rapidly, that is mercury begins to the fall down, means uh, the weather condition will be totally, the temperature would be fall down in a where in a north side of India. And the low pressure condition we can see in the northwestern India, and to it will be transferred to the Bay of the Bengal. We can, it is when we see the map of India, when we see the map of condition, here we can see the movements of October, half of the October we can see to Arabian Sea to the Bay of the Bengal. See here the directions of the wind, that is October and November, the retracting to the Bay of the Bengal to the Arabian Sea. And October there it will be more for towards to the north part of India. And in November, October and September, these 3 months we will get directions of the wind to, that is a low pressure to the high pressure, that is the southern part to the north part. And because of these Bay of the Bengal, in the November it will be moved towards to this will be shifted to the cyclone. Sometimes the cyclone effect also it will happens in a that is in a southern part, that is where the Bay of the Bengal, or in a Bay of the Bengal, or in Arabian Oceans. Yes. So both Arabian Sea and as well as in the Bay of the Bengal, we can see some cyclones generally in eastern coastal of India. They are having a um, widespread rain, means the heavy rains will be occurs in that places, and these areas they having a thickly populated because of the deltas of the Godavari and the Krishna, the Kaveri. These places by the struck by the cyclones, and these it will be damages for to the more because of the cyclones. And the coastal lines of Odisha and West Bengal, Bangladesh, these the bulk of rainfall, that is in a Coromandel coast, they are having a more cyclonic effect. So we can understand by this map also. See here, from to the southern part to they are the moving towards to the Bay of the Bengal, and in October they are the moving towards to the northern part of India. Yes, so because of these wind, so cyclonic effect also it will happens, that is in a Bengal, Odisha, these places they are having the more cyclonic effect. For the reference, you can refer ninth grade textbook. Thank you.